In Oscar, a different part of Caroll comes out in Oscar.
Is everything over? What?
Doesn't look like much to me. Yeah, let's go home.
Birds really like to watch other birds make love.
Hey, listen, I'm from a kid show, you know?
Oscar's pretty much the same, other than the fact he's no longer orange.
You're crummy.
Oh, come on now, Oscar.
Actually, if I took a bath, I'd still be orange.
Really?
But this is moss.
Oh.
At first, had no idea how to play this character when Henson proposed it back in '69, and I was rather scared. I had just joined Muppets, but a taxi cab driver said, "Where to, Mac?" And that was on the way to the rehearsal, and it was just in time.
So I kept saying, what a great voice. Where to, Mac? Where to, Mac? Where to, Mac? I said, go over to the trash can and knock on it, and Oscar will come up. So Jim walks over, dang, clang, clang, and I pop it open. Get away from my trash can. He said, that'll do fine.
It really allows Caroll to fully be himself in both characters.
Well, anyway, you've seen the best part of this movie, so sit back, relax, and have a rotten time. With a Grouch anthem, you stay sitting down in front there. Now brace yourself, I'm gonna sing.